Hello, students. This is Festival. Okay, so one of the new things in 3ds Max 2026 is when we bring up the material editor, and I've gone to the Slate. Again, I'm using Slate. I'm Compact. Slate is the new version, but there is the OpenPBR. Pretty much the thing that you are most likely going to be using is the base. So we've been building, wallpaper essentially. So we've got a material, a texture that we're putting on the material and flapping onto the object. In this case, this box right here is what you want to click to pick the map. And again, we're just going to do bitmap. And I am on the desktop. You shouldn't be working on the desktop, but here we go. And I've got this create to diffuse. I'm going to open up. I'll link where I got this. This is an open resource, so it's free to use. There's a package of three other. It's part of a pack of three create materials. The textures for three create materials. So there we go. There we go. There is my box. And that's pretty much the big thing is that hey. Here's the OpenPBR. So, whereas before I think I've been telling you to basically use the GLTF material, which is another PBR material. In this case, we've been clicking this, again, making bitmap. There it is. Again, I'll select the other material here. So essentially, I've created the same material twice. Just so you know, this is where you will define, this is GF, TL, create texture. Sorry, GL, TF, create. And I'm going to call this one OpenPBR. Great. And that's how you're going to name that's how basically you will name your materials. So, but either way is perfectly fine. Just know that if you create another material, again, it's either going to be one of these two materials or you're going to be using the multi-saw object to set the different, to make up a material to put on the object you can support multiple channels. So. There you go. That's just want to make sure. Again, multi-sub object. I'll just click this one right here. Click OK. Discard the old material. Set the number. We'll say this is 2. If I had the whole pack, I could probably do one side a different material and the other one another material. So no big deal. Again, drag and drop. I would just copy rather than instance. There you go. So pretty much straightforward what you'll need to do to build what you need. Just want to make sure that hey, using the PBR material, here's the open PBR material, here is the GF2 material. Either are perfectly fine. So I'm just telling you that right now. Cancel. I don't want to do that. All right.